Just got out of Harbor Freight. Gonna go hit up Lowe's. This video is not really gonna be that much talking about a specific topic, but you know, we'll talk. Let's see how he does lane splitting, because he's never lane split it. Oh, not regularly, I should say. This is like a 2002, I think he said. And that shit has less miles than mine. Shit.
Nope.
La Popo. La Policia. Right there, right in my rear view. Making sure I'm going. Oh, never mind. He turned to Colonia. Alright, guys, just got out of Lowe's. We're gonna go hit the one. Show them the little ocean. And we'll go from there. Before you guys watch this, comment down below who do you think is gonna win on a head-up race, me or this Jixer. Comment down below right now, motherfucker. Also, guys, comment down below what you guys thought of the snake video. Like, if the angle was alright. I only had one other angle, which was the rear view. But comment down below what other angles I should do. That shit's. We're also going for another ride later. With Andrew. He's been in some of my videos, and Eric maybe. I saw one of his messages said he couldn't, but I don't know. We'll see. What time is it? Barely 9:42. So we should be right on track. Run. Holy fuck. Hell yeah, bro. Holy. Woo! Oh my. Dude. I'm out of words. God damn. Woo! This chain and sprocket. Oh my god. Oh, I'm speechless. I'm freaking speechless, everybody. Holy freaking god. Link down below for the chain and sprocket kit that I bought. It wasn't even that expensive, honestly. Holy shoot. Keep up. Damn, guys, like I can't explain how much more of a difference it makes. Like, holy Jesus. God comment down below if you guys want to see me and straight up 5-speed go at it one more time. Cause golly, this bike takes off, man. I'm gonna give him like a little head start. Alright guys, we're gonna go meet up Andrew. We ended up taking a little detour up to another beach. So now we're gonna go hit up the gas station. Welcome our buddy Andrew and prepare him for the ass whooping that he's gonna receive today. Brings it up a lot, so I'm gonna try like 7 now. Ah! You ready for the ass whooping? Huh? Are you ready for the ass whooping? Ah! I'm gonna give the smoke to this bike with a head start. It's all dirty. Huh? Why is it so dirty? It was in the rain. Mijo, right here. Right here? No, over there. Just wait. If you guys haven't followed Andrew, Instagram right here. Go check him out. Put my mirrors in for more aerodynamics and shit. one. That was a close one. Okay. Okay. Damn. Hey, that shit was good. That's some good shit. One more. One more?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
All right, last run. Let's get it. Alright, GG's. GG's. Woo wee! Hey, you see my tire? When I was turning? I fucking caught gravel.
Oh, that gravel? Yeah, I seen you put your foot out.
Yeah? Why didn't you race him?
No, I did.
Oh, you did? You beat him?
He was behind me.
Oh.
So, I mean,
Let's go catch up to this one. Nah, I just wanted to stop. My legs hurt already. My legs hurt. My hips of sitting down. Ah.
your chain fell out or something.
Oh no. Damn. That last one I dropped too much of a gear. So who won?
Well, that one I did.
Alright, that one, yeah, you did. But the other ones.
The other ones, I guess you did.
Alright. Alright, so obviously you could tell I'm on a different bike. I'm on Andrew's 2004 Honda CBR 600 RR. And this shit feels small as a motherfucker. And this shit feels small, holy fuck. Huh, maybe one day he'll let me review it or something. The world may never know until that video comes out. These mirrors are awkward. They're like hitting the edge of my glove. Yeah, I don't like this bike. Let me get my baby back. Ah. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, I don't like it. Come on, dude.
I couldn't put it down.
Yeah, I don't like it.
You're just fucking loud, bro. One side of my ear.
For real. Alright. Better to be back on my baby. Some Five Guys. Yeah, we're gonna go get some Five Guys. Enjoy this Sunday afternoon. Eat some lunch before it starts raining, because it's supposed to rain today. And yeah. And if you guys are wondering why we switched bikes, I don't know, that CBR felt way too small for me. What kind of parking is this, son? Ugh. No, I'll pay it. Have change on me. Damn.
Fuck, bro, I only beat you once that whole time.
You only beat me once. That's it. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smack that like button. Comment down below any feedback on the video. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one, everybody. Peace!
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch so I two-tone it.